So one of the main things we worked on this week was our algorithm for the LiDAR. As you can see here, in start state, the LiDAR is on and the autocorder stopped. Then, when the throttle is engaged, it goes into this state. If the LiDAR detects an obstacle in its path within a 90-degree angle, it will move to this state, or else it will just stay in the moving state until it's completed its journey. Once it detects an obstacle, it immediately slows down and checks to see if there's a way around the obstacle. If there is, it starts on that path, clears it, returns to the original, and keeps moving. If there's not, however, it stops and reverts to the start state, where you can start again, reconfigure it, do whatever you need to.
Okay, so quick snapshot. I was working on the processing code for the AutoCAD, and I had a great idea. Apparently, you can incorporate animated GIFs in processing, so I'm going to try and do that, and I'll let you know how it goes.
Okay, so another thing we worked on this week was assembling, these are going to be the drive wheels, probably the rear ones I'm guessing, I don't really know yet, I haven't read that far. And, okay, so straight up, these were actually really difficult because originally this hole in here was circular, but I had to like file out the grooves how these bolts would fit in there. And then also after that, then there was a whole issue, you can't really see it, but I also kind of had to I also had to drill into the wheel a little bit just to make room for where the bolts would go through. I think that we were supposed to tap these, but then we had already made the holes, and so like then you're kind of in it, and this was just the fix for that. It was like fairly easy. Zane said it was cool. And we also had to do this ×2. So while a lot of the guys were doing some like other stuff, this was like all I worked on for like the whole week. It was just like this and another one like it. All right, so this is like the tapping process, which the tap is gonna like put the threads, like the negative thread that the screw will lock into, that the bolts will lock into this 80-20 that we will be using for the Chibi cart. I like what Zane said, it sounds like NASCAR. Startled the king. You gotta move that hole up.
Move it up real good.
There you go. Move that. You start slow, you gotta ease it in there. Otherwise it'll just fly off. And it's like a fairly slow process, especially in the beginning. Just because the metal shavings will build up in there. You want to reduce friction, and also the WD-40 is also going to cool down the metal after it's already heated up a little bit. It keeps heat from building up, but also removes heat from the system. And you basically just do that until it meets your tape with the tape trick. A lot of us are familiar with that. But that's tapping 101.
So these are 5 pieces of 18-inch metals. This is the shortest one. We're sanding them all down to this size, so they're all
off, you're always going to have little weights around the outside. We'll put a bumper door occasionally take slightly off. Y'all just send that off for scrap, or what do you do with scrap? Yeah, just scrap. We take a scrap trailer, we got hoppers, we got a couple flat pallets, and just some mountains of metal. Any other questions about the work?